Hey Home Inspector superstars, let's talk about why those before and after photos are absolute gold for your marketing. Here's the thing, your regular inspection posts might get some attention, but comparison photos, they stop the scroll and drive engagement through the roof. Think about it, when you show that hidden water damage before you found it, and then the full extent after your inspection, you're not just posting content, you're proving your expertise in action. These visual stories do three powerful things. They showcase your attention to detail. They educate potential clients about hidden issues. And they demonstrate the real value of hiring a professional inspector. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your comparisons are clear and well lit. Label them properly and always highlight the key findings you want viewers to notice. Ready to boost your social media game? Start with one comparison post this week and watch your engagement soar. And don't miss our next episode where we'll dive into the power of Google Business Profile questions and how they can drive more leads. See you next time.